Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how to log out of your DramaWave account using the DramaWave application on your mobile device. So let's get started. First of all, open up the DramaWave application on your device. From the main home screen of DramaWave, go ahead and tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner. Now, you will see this interface where you need to scroll down and tap on Settings. You will then be able to see the Sign Out button on the next page. Simply tap on Sign Out and click on the Sign Out button once again to confirm at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you will be signed out of your account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.